India, the land of plenty, the land of the new Renaissance, vibrant, charismatic and growing. An expanding open economy with quantum leaps in per capita income. When new markets create a vibrant, thriving economy. Where history gives way to a new economy. Khidki, founded in the year 1610, renamed in the year 1653. Aurangabad, the window of the Deccan Plateau, the Taj of the Deccan, a World Heritage Site, the pulse of New India, the City of Gates, the City of Industry.
I recollect Aurangabad as a sleepy small township of 70s, barely with a population of 100,000 people. In the last 40 years, the city has totally transformed itself. Today, it is bustling with activities. It is a hub of industrial development, automobile, pharmaceuticals, breweries, distilleries, and also occupies pride of place in the field of agricultural biotechnology and hybrid seeds.
The city exemplifying New India.
I am seeing this city from last 30 years. When we came to Aurangabad, the city was not having any social or any other infrastructure. Now this city has become a third largest industrial town of Maharashtra.
Where the traditional and modern meet.
City which was earlier known for tourism has transformed itself in major agro, industrial and education hub.
Where handicrafts and new age technology walk hand in hand. A city of enterprise.
Merck is a dream, and this dream is becoming a reality in Aurangabad.
Every car owner ultimately has some kind of a dream that he needs to have. He should have a Mercedes someday.
Over the years, city has seen a big economic boom, and that has brought us a lot of opportunities to grow. Things which we could not dream of, today we aspire to get. And one of the classic examples which you could see is the Mercedes deal which has happened here.
Aurangabad, inspiring the world and redefining standards.
Personally, I always wanted to own a Mercedes, and I'm going to fulfill that dream in a short time.
There are hundreds of people, those who are going to become proud owners of Mercedes cars.
Aurangabad is a story of India. We always believed at Mercedes that India always had a wealth. Wealth was never an issue. Once the roads come up, infrastructure comes up, finance availability comes up, Aurangabad is a story of India. The Mercedes transaction has actually changed the face of Aurangabad. The young guys whom we always believed to our would-be customers between 35, 40, 45, first generation, worked it hard to make their money. They all decided to change the economy of Aurangabad by buying Mercedes. And today, it's no more a dream, it's a real truth. A dream we started maybe a year ago. It took almost 9 months to conclude it. And we strongly believe that the aspiration which people see from very childhood to own a Mercedes, and you work 40 years to wait for it, and finally the right day has come to you. This actually changes the economy of Aurangabad. The attention towards Aurangabad from the entire Indian media, the attention towards Aurangabad from the government, the attention towards Aurangabad in terms of industrial investments. I think Mercedes and Aurangabad couldn't have been better. And that's what our CEO also said, Mercedes drives Aurangabad, Aurangabad drives Mercedes.